Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. This is me, Miss Kiliju, and thank you so much for tuning in. So one of my subscribers, she requested me to do a baggy trousers haul video. So I'm here with baggy trousers haul video from Meesho, and I have already seen all my trousers. They are so baggy and so perfect. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. So guys, the first trousers I got from Meesho is this. So this is the trouser. This is here you will get this thing, so you can adjust it as per your style. And then this is how it looks. This is the overall look of the baggy. This is how it looks on the website. And so guys, I have already tried this baggy, and I must say that this baggy is the perfect baggy you guys will ever get from Meesho. I just love this baggy. This is so baggy. As you can see that this is how it looks. So the bottom part is so baggy. I just love this thing. And also you'll get this thing, so you can adjust it. This is how you can adjust it. So I really like this baggy, and the size I've ordered is XL size, and I got this baggy at around 600 600 something. So 600 is a bit expensive, but guys, I must say it's worth the money, as this pant is so baggy, so great quality, material, fabric, everything is so great. I just love this baggy. And also you guys will get different colors in this baggy. So yeah, this is like my favorite first baggy from Meesho, and I really like this bag. And guys, my another trousers from Meesho is this. So let me show it to you all. So guys, this is how the trousers look. And guys, first of all, the fabric of this trouser is so fantastic. I really like the fabric. It's like the fabric, it will give you warm, so that's the best thing, as the place where I live is like the weather there is already very cold. So this trouser is great for the weather at my place. So I really like this thing. And also you guys will get 2 pockets here, and this trousers will get this 2 pocket, and then it have this stripes thing in the sides of the trouser. So this is how it has. So near the pocket you guys will get this stripes like black and beige color. So yeah, I really like this baggy, like the color is very good. It's creamy color, so I like this trousers. And also the size I got is M size, and the price, I think I got this at 331 something. So I have also paid like online, so I got a little discount. So this is the trousers. I like this trousers very much. Fabric is very good. It's like very like little bit heavy, so I like that thing. And also you guys will get too many different colors in this trousers: white, pink, and then black, gray or something. So yeah, if you guys don't like this color, you guys can go for definitely different color. So guys, here is my another trousers from Meesho, and this time I've again gone with a combo trouser. So first I will show you this black. So this is the first black combo trousers I have received from Meesho, and so this is how the trousers look. So this is like very stylish. Again, you will get this thing, so it's a nice, you can adjust it. And then this trouser has little like design, little fancy thing here. You can see that this little fancy thing is so beautiful. I like this thing, like it's very beautiful. Like this cut, this design is very nice. So that's the thing I like. And also you guys will get 2 pockets in the side, and then you will also have pockets here. So you will have this pocket too. So that's the best thing. And also it's a baggy trouser. So but this area is little tight, so you can, I think now it will look good. Yeah, see, this is how it is. So this is the leg part of the baggy, this trousers, and I like this trouser. The material is so nice. It's like very lightweighted trouser, so I really like this trousers. And then we have one more color. It's in the color gray. So you see, this is how the trousers look. Again, it's a very nice trousers from Meesho. Just see, both are same, everything is same, design, everything is same, but the only difference is the colors. Color is the difference. Again, you will get this pocket and this pockets in this trouser. So yeah, I really like this trouser. It's a nice trousers overall, and I got these 2 trousers at 500 or 600 around something. So that's what that's the price of the trouser. So yeah, this is the trousers, and also you guys will get too many different colors in this trouser. So if you guys don't like this color, you guys can definitely go for the other color. So for me, I'm okay with this two colors. And then guys, you have already seen in my thumbnail the trousers which I have provided are these trousers. So I've also ordered these trousers from Meesho too, but it shows that my product will deliver to me on the day of 27, but today is 29 already, and this product has not been delivered to me yet. And then tomorrow, like, I'll be leaving for Arunachal, as I said that I'm in Guwahati. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be leaving for Arunachal, so I don't have time to receive for all these trousers, as like the expected delivery date was 27, but it's 29 already. So I can't wait for more days, as I'll be going somewhere in the month of December. So by the time I upload this whole video, it will be like on the day of 20 like 5 or 6 maybe on December. So yeah, that's the thing. And guys, I really like these two trousers also. As you can see that this pink thing of trousers I have already ordered in my last, but the trousers in that video was like, in that trouser you will get the pockets, but this you can see that the stripe thing in the trouser, like in the waist area, is very beautiful. The white and the pink, it's very beautiful. So I really like these trousers. And also this black and white, you will just see that I've already ordered the black one in my like last whole video. So their ribbon thing was not there, so that's the issue. But this, you will get this little so beautiful ribbon thing going all over the trouser. It's so beautiful. So I really wanted to get that trouser, but what to do, I don't have time to wait for all this trouser. But guys, you guys can definitely check my description box below. I've already provided the link here. So yeah, these are my collections of trousers. I know these trousers, like this whole video is a little short. I should have ordered many trousers, but I have ordered, but what to do, the products have not delivered to me. So that's the thing. So yeah, still do like this video and subscribe, comment, and do let me know which haul you guys want to see next time. So till then, take care and bye bye as usual. Bye.